Welcome to today's little video on the CRM and marketing modules within the ERP software suite. Today is just going to be a very brief video on those areas. And again, as always, if you haven't already watched the main video on the ERP software suite and how everything is included, how it's real time, all your modules are part of the package, please stop this video at this stage and go and watch the main video on how the whole lot is all tied together and how it all is a real-time type system. So please go watch that first if you haven't already. Alright, CRM or customer relationship management can mean many different things to many different people. The concepts though are relatively the same in that you want to track sales, what it takes to get a sale, how to bring them in, all those sorts of things. So what I'm going to do today is just touch on a couple of things and how in essence you can take a marketing contact, which is in effect a phone book contact if you like. That phone book contact you can do selection ranges on and say, look, I want to contact all the manufacturers within London, and you can select ranges and then put that to a telemarketing lead so that the telemarketers can chase that up. So you've got a full telemarketing module there for people to chase those up. Those marketing contacts, if they turn into anything more than a phone call, become prospects. Prospects are people that you've typically done an appointment with or done something as a basic. Prospects then become customers. Now the three databases or the three collection of names if you like are completely separate. They're kept separate, but they automatically integrate into each other. So once a marketing contact becomes anything more than a phone call, they become a prospect automatically. And we do all this using leads. Leads are a fantastic way of tracking everything that's gone on within the system from a marketing contact. So Demi Moore here started out as a simple phone number. We've done a number of follow-up calls. She got a quote. It then turned into another follow-up, and that turned into an invoice. Now, throughout that whole process, she went automatically from a marketing contact to a prospect to a customer. Fantastic stuff. The beauty of doing leads, these turn into ratios, or to give you a pipeline if you like. So how many leads or quotes have we done? What do we expect those to turn into? What sort of value would we get out of those? How many phone calls did I have to make? It also turns into ratios where you can say, these are my salespeople. Are they doing their calls? Are they making the number of calls we need them to do? Are they following up on their prospects and marketing contacts in an appropriate timeline? Are they doing it accurately? Are they doing it properly even? These as well turn into charts. You can see what's going on at any point in time. They turn into pipeline graphs. All those sorts of things can be done directly within the system. So your CRM and your marketing are tied together. The prospect becomes a customer automatically, and these are brilliant for turning your marketing contacts or prospects into ratios. How many prospects do I have to contact to become customer? So these sorts of numbers you can get from within the system. In addition, you can run mail merge campaigns across the marketing contacts, prospects or customers. You can do those at any time. You can run loyalty programs. These are brilliant for saying on loyalty programs, if somebody spends £100 with us, we'll give you a 5% discount on your next purchase. The beauty of the loyalty programs, you can tie it in with your price schemes. Price schemes are where you can say, if you buy 2 shirts, we'll give you a free tie type concept. Absolutely fantastic for that sort of thing. Alright, we'll jump back. What you've got as well within ERP, because it is a fully integrated system, you have a global list here, and this will give you every contact, be they a customer, a supplier, a marketing contact, a prospect, whatever they may be, they'll be in this list here. So absolutely everybody you have in your database is accessible from this one spot. Brilliant stuff. As well, with your CRM and your marketing, it's tied into your point of sale, where when you sell a product, whatever it may be, you can track where they came from by turning on a couple of simple options. I can say, you know, where's your postcode, where do you live, all those sorts of things can be turned on there. Add to that, you can do reminders. These are prompts to say, look, I need to get something done about that, I'm a little behind on those sorts of things. Absolutely fantastic for if you produce a quote, and I'll do one very quickly here. If I drop a quote in and use a product, whatever it may be, I can set follow-up dates on my quotes. If I hit save, that'll now appear as a reminder. It'll pop up, there's my quote, I need to follow up on that tomorrow. So your CRM and your marketing is fully integrated with your sales. The whole thing is tied together. It works even better if you use leads. Leads are where you can see what number of calls it took to make the prospect become a customer. These are again brilliant if you tie it in with your customer list. When I look at my actual customer, I can drill back, I can see everything about the customer. My full history on the customer is right there on that one screen. Every product they've ever bought, every quote I've ever done for them. Again, if I double click, I can zoom back to what makes that up. It'll track my loyalty programs that I've run with them. It'll track whatever mail mergers I've done with them. It'll track the lot. It's all there. I can also look at every contact I have with that. I can produce letters, faxes, emails directly from within the system. I can give it a reference for my quote, hit save. It'll automatically populate all my data, get me ready just to start typing the letter, like so. If I save that, it keeps a record of every document, letter, fax. I go straight back to it. Lose nothing. Fantastic. I've got all sorts of follow-ups in here. I've got referrals, discount options. Again, the beauty of the fully integrated software suite, it's all tied together. So right from day one, when I do mail campaigns or loyalty programs, I can tie this with my marketing contacts. It'll give me ratios, my return on my spend on whatever I'm doing there. These turn into leads, these turn into customers. Beautiful CRM, beautiful marketing type concepts. Fantastic stuff. Again though, as always, I'm only skimming here. This is by no means specific to your business. You might have some different ideas or ways that you want the CRM or marketing modules to work for you. Please give the guys and girls a call down at ERP. They'd be more than happy to come on site and go through a much more detailed presentation to suit your business. That's the key. They will do it to suit what you are looking for. I know this is brief, but again, as I say, give them a call. They'd be more than happy to come and see you. Thanks for watching.